Hello everyone, welcome to the demo of Artificial Intelligence Arts, aka AIA Beta version on Ringgit testnet. The app is fully integrated with MetaMask, so you don't have to create an account or anything. Just simply sign in using your MetaMask wallet, sign, and get started. This is the generated page where you can generate AI created NFTs based on the rarity. We now have 200 NFTs in total. For rarities, we got common, uncommon, rare, epic, legendary, prestigious, and the chances of getting them. Without further ado, let's try to generate one. As you can see, we have to pay 0.01 Ethereum, and that money goes towards the owner, which is my wallet. And then there's some small gas fee associated with it. Just click on confirm and give it a little time. You can also see that the transaction is pending on the MetaMask wallet. There we go, we got our new NFT generated. It's called Down the Rabbit Hole and the rarity is common. You can hit on confirm and then we can go to my collections to see the NFT we just generated along with other NFT we generated previously. We can also sort it based on the rarity. You can also sort it by the ID. We're currently viewing all of the NFTs that we own, but we can also see the NFTs that we're trying to sell. Just click on Show My Listings. Let's take a look at the NFT details. By clicking on the image, we got the title, the Last Jedi number 5, the ID, the theme, the technology, the owner, the rarity, which is prestigious. Let's try to sell this one. The price will be 0.01 Ethereum. Let's click on Sell. Because we're using blockchain, every transaction there is a small amount of gas fee associated with it. So let's just pay that and give it a few seconds for the transaction to be completed. Now the transaction has been completed, so let's click on confirm and let's go to the marketplace. In the marketplace, we can see all of the NFTs that are currently listing. Including ours. Let's say we change our mind, we don't want to sell this NFT anymore. Let's click on cancel and we pay a small amount of gas fee as usual and wait for the transaction to be completed. Perfect, we got our NFT back. Now let's try to purchase something. Let's purchase the universe is a glitch. And the rarity is prestigious and its price is only 0.01 Ethereum. Let's click on purchase. Notice that the price we have to pay is 0.012. That's because the extra 20% goes into the developers, aka the owner's wallet, which is my wallet. Great, we just successfully purchased an NFT. Now let's go to my collections to double check if it's really there. As you might notice, in the marketplace, we got the option to show all, where it will show all of the NFT that is minted, but some of it is not for sale because they are not on listing. If we go to my activities, it will list out all of the transaction history. We got the type, which is purchase, we purchased number 3, the seller, the price, and the time. Some of the transaction events does not have a seller or buyer, so it's not applicable. We can also view it on the OpenSea testnet. It got all of the NFT that is minted. Let's take a look at the Universe is a Glitch number 7. We got the description, the property, the about, and the detail, which follows the ERC 721 standard. Last but not least, we can see it on the Etherscan as well. We got purchase item and every transaction that is happening on the blockchain. We can view all of the details and so on.